Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bunga Anisatul Zahra with student ID number 207006046 from Group 2 Technical Information, Siliwangi University. We will present material about the software and introduce our group members.
My name is Gumelar Sagara Triguna with student ID number 207006086.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lucido Lestari, NPM 2070060I3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rika Lepiana, NPM 207006501.
The first material, we will discuss the definition of software. The second material is the function of software. The third material is the type of software. And the last material is the example of software. First, software definition. Software can be said to be a link between hardware and brainware. Software is a collection of electronic data in the form of programs or instructions that are stored and managed by a computer. The electronic data includes instructions or programs that will carry out special commands. The software itself is made by a programmer with a specific programming language, which is then compiled into a code that can be recognized by hardware.
Function of software. First, software serves as the basic needs of a computer in order to operate properly. Second, software has a function in managing the hardware or hardware that is on the computer. That way, the computer used can work properly according to what job is needed. Third, software can also be used as a link between other software and computer hardware. Fourth, software can also function as a command translator in other software that is in machine language. That way, the hardware on the computer can understand and accept it well. And the last, in addition, this computer software you can also use to identify a program on the computer.
Different types of software are 1. Application software. This is the most common types of computer software. It can be defined as an user program that help you perform tasks or achieve a desired outcome. The end user is the person who is directly using a product or program. They are the one for whom the end result is designed. Some examples of application software include internet browser, a CRM tool like HubSpot, a photo editing software like Adobe or Lightroom, or a word processing application like Microsoft Word. 2. System software. System software helps the user, the computer or mobile device, and an application all work together seamlessly. This makes system software crucial to running any kind of application software as well as the whole computer system. Apple's iOS is an example of system software, as is Microsoft Windows. 3. Programming software. Programming software is for computer programmer and developer who are writing code. They are programs that are used to write, develop, test, and debug other software programs. It's helpful to think of these programs as a translator of sort. They take programming languages like Laravel, Python, C++, and more and translate them into something a computer or phone will understand. The last, for default software. This software is often considered to be a type of system software. Default software operate and control devices that are plugged into a computer. This default makes it possible for a device to perform their necessary function. A very good and practical example of this is your printer.
Example. As for example of software, namely as follow. 1. Microsoft Office Word. This one software you can use to type and edit a document in Paper View. 2. Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Software used to make a presentation. You can edit photos, create videos, and much more. 3. Microsoft Excel. Not much different from Microsoft Word. This tool is used to edit and create documents with column views. And 4. Mozilla Firefox. Useful software that you can use as a free, open source cross-platform web browser. Those are some examples of software that you should know.
That's all about software that we have submitted. Apologize for the mistake. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.